Do you have people in your shop that are checking out your items, adding them to cart, and then just leaving them? That is leaving money on the table. So today I'm going to show you how to create an abandoned cart coupon on Etsy so that way you're not leaving sales on the table and you can help recoup some of those. So we are going to go here to the left where it says marketing, click on that, and then click sales and discounts. And you can see here that there is the run a sale, there's create a promo code. We don't want either of those. We want to have it here where it says abandoned cart. So 129 shoppers have left items in their cart in the last 90 days in my shop. So that could be $463 of sales that I am missing out on. Now I did previously have this, but I turned it off for you. So I'm going to turn it back on. So abandoned cart, so you can do a percentage off, a fixed amount, or free standard shipping. So I'm going to do, for abandoned cart, I'm going to do fixed amount. I'm going to do $2. We'll do $1 off. So I'm going to create a code, come back 1, and then 1 off. And then I'm going to hit create offer. Now, if you do want to turn it off for any reason, you can come back here to marketing, sales, and discounts, hit details, and then you can hit down here, stop sending offers or deactivate code, either one. And it already sent 5 emails out because this is automatic. Next up, watch how to make it so people can make an offer on your products. This is really going to help you to move inventory and make more sales. And I also have a video on 30 digital download ideas so that you can make passive income on your Etsy shop.